Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me once again. My name is Doodleman, and you're watching my small humble channel. So yeah, today I actually wanted to show you guys how you could draw, or should I say, doodle or sketch easily by using cubes and squares. So I'm gonna be trying to using like George Bridgman's three-box method. So I've done three separate sketches, one with a pencil, one with a pen, one that you're looking at on the larger screen right now. And I also want to talk a little bit about Stanley Lau, aka Art Germ, who is one of my favorite art hero. So yeah, for the last 3 years, I've been trying to emulate his art style. He's really awesome in the way that he combines these the best part about Western comics and the Eastern comic style, and somehow he managed to blend these best of these two separate art style and make something really unique on his own. So yeah, him and there are like several other artists that I try to benchmark and try to copy, but for now I wanna just show you guys what Art Germ, Stanley Lau is able to do. You're looking at his one of his art once again. Yeah, so as you can see, the picture says 1,000 words. He's a blend and a combination of the Western art and the Eastern art is really blended well. And yeah, I'm still kind of struggling to copy his or poorly making this attempt to copy his art style. But hopefully, you guys could check out his art, art channel as well. He also has a separate YouTube art channel for himself. So just go out there and check out his art. And here he is on holding one of his sketches on the screen. And yeah, I'm also doing another sketch on my handphone using a Samsung handphone, using my fingers. I don't know if you guys will believe me that I've done these separate sketches on my the Samsung handphone using my fingers, and I guess there's no way for me to prove it because I'm doing this hyperlapse version of it. But yeah, so what I want to talk about in this video is that you could actually simplify these like somewhat complicated drawings by using a squares like way George Bridgman did. I think you've seen it on the the earlier smaller screen that was showcasing one of his drawings that he did to simplify the rib cage and the head and the pelvic area of a human anatomy. So as you can see, I'm kind of struggling a little bit with the digital drawing, which I'm not really good at the moment. But hopefully I'll get better over time with more practice. Yeah, so at the moment I don't have any like the digital tools that goes with like computer. So I've been just kind of practicing this the digital drawing using my handphone, which is my Samsung handphone that I do, and I use this app called a Sketchbook, which you can just download for free if you're thinking about just going into a like digital drawing. If you are on a budget and if you can afford any of these like the expensive software such as like Clip Studio Paint or like some like high-end computers, your handphone is your handphone is more than enough to do the job itself when you are just kind of starting out, which I'm kind of doing right now as well. So going back to the squares again. Yeah, so three-box method that is created by George Bridgman is not just for the like human anatomy, but you can also use this for like any other like objects, such as which I'm doing right now, a car. So just one on the front, one box on the front, one on the middle section, and one on the very rear end. And you can just go ahead and create this like more abstracted framework that could help you visualize whichever object that you want to draw. So here's a car. And you can also do this for even in like just a head drawing itself, or the like motorcycle that you're seeing right here. Again, just apply the same three-box method, one on the middle, one on the back, and one on the front, and just work out with just use a simple alphabet such as S or C or any other like V or A alphabet, just simple alphabets to just construct the forms and the rhythmic lines based on these three box method. And at times you could also extend this to like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 boxes in whichever drawing that you wanna tackle on. So yep, that's it for today's discussion, and hopefully just I hope that you will watch through the end and just how I do these doodles and sketches. Yeah, so for me, sketching and the art is just a never-ending journey. I've been just kind of teaching myself how to draw for the last 5 years, and so far it's been fun. But at the same time, try to do this on my own, and relying on just myself without any professional help. It could be challenging, but still, it's pretty rewarding at the same time. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much.